Yo, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Tapping in a little late. My dog has messed up my lighting with biting it, and now we're looking to get into a sell position here. As soon as the candle closes. Pretty risky position, but willing to take the risk at this point. Got some resistance shit forming up there, so it's a little risky, but I think we can hit the bottom of 1700. Small wick at the bottom. At least it's no wick. So we've entered 50% my position, about 13, so I might just go ahead. Hold for right now. Spread's amazing, low key. Got some really good spread. Four more pips and we should be 10 pips profit. Stop loss break even now, fellas. Ladies and gents, I'm gonna just hold this position honestly at this point. Necessarily don't want to close this yet. Just gonna hold this position. Hopefully we can manage this and not hit stop loss break even, but you know, it's all up in the air. It's all up in there. We're gonna see. Main thing for me, you know, stop loss break even. It's a risk-free trade at this point. Can't always be risk-free though, right? Because on Friday we caught slippage and we were up 10 pips on a position on a buy on gold. Stop loss move at break even and price immediately flipped and slippage caught me up, man. I'm telling you that. Slippage caught me. Alright guys, so we stop loss break even. Unfortunate, honestly. Unfortunate. Sorry for the lighting too as well. I know it's like pretty fucking dark in here, but my dog chewed the cord of one of my little stream lights or whatever you want to call it. Little circle lights. Yeah, at this point, ladies and gents, I don't know how I feel about entering the position now, especially right after just going stop loss break even. The re-entry on this for me is looking a little iffy. Don't know if I really feel like re-entering at this point. No profit secured so far. That's vicious. Alright, so I'm just trying to take a look at what happened previously around 6 a.m. Seeing maybe there's any positions I could have possibly entered around that time. Um, and when I'm taking a look back at this, got the 6:30 candle that opened up. Obviously, we have no confirmation they get any buys because we just closed extremely bearish here at the 6 o'clock candle. 6:30 candle opens up, closes at 6:30, way up here, right? You would think, okay, but we got a pretty decent position for a buy. Not that it's not, it still is a good position for a buy, but I generally like to have like a 25 pip stop loss, and this stuff pushed 18 pips, right? So 18 pips and then goes straight up profits, right? Depending on how this, well, either way, I'm sure I would have closed 50% or have been stop loss break even, depending on how this moved. If it would have went boom and then came back down to form this wick, we could have been stop loss break even, or we could have 50% of the position by entering. It's gonna go draw down, draw down, draw down. I would have 50% in my position and then been like, oh fuck, I have 5 more pips, so I'm stopped out, and then boom, price would have moved back up. And I would have managed the risk at that point. I'm sure I wouldn't have took any profits. I'm sure I just would have closed around the entry to reduce my risk. So either way, I wouldn't have had the best trade on 6:30. So um, I think the best thing I could have do today, obviously, was just secure the 10 pips that I was able to secure smooth and quickly. Fortunately, I did not secure that though, but it's no worries. Though we do got the hourly closing bearish. And then this is what kind of makes me start thinking, you know? I like how we got the hourly forming this resistance, right? But at the same time, that 30 minutes just kind of concerns me. Concerns me in a way that I don't know if entering a position is going to be so probable. And I don't know. At this point, I might close the stream early today. It was a very, very, very short stream this morning. I was trying to focus on trying to get my light fixed, but I couldn't seem to get it fixed. So my lighting is so dark today. But should be doing something today to get that fixed, so I should have some better lighting for tomorrow's stream. Uh, but yeah, until then, we did have one profitable position. Unfortunately, we did. I did not. I don't know if anybody else, in the chat maybe took the same position as me and came up and secured the 10 pips profit. But I wanted to hold my position in anticipation that it would push down further with New York Stock Exchange volume. I'm not gonna lie, at this point, like I'm gonna say anything trading wise, but just more in the sense of like stream and viewers wise. At this point, like I really don't care if I got nobody watching me or I got a million people watching me. I'm trying to stay the same as how I'd act if I had a million people watching me. And I'm trying to put that in my head, like if I did have a million people watching me. So what's GJ looking like he wants to do? I don't know how much GJ wants to push up more, cause that I'm pushing up for quite some time. These 4-hour candles been closing real weird, in my opinion. Obviously, we got a bullish trading market here, but I mean, somehow how much longer though? Because I mean, eventually we're gonna start forming these supports or resistances. Well, there's the drop we wanted on gold, which is kind of funny. Part of me was to re-enter. Um, Playing a little iffy here. I mean, if we break past this again, I think I'll probably enter again. Uh, what makes me want to enter personally is because the hourly's closing bearish. It's about one of the main factors I'm really looking to enter the sell position, but at the same time, I'm trying to be very, very, very careful and try and do the best I can to make the right decision here. But I'm gonna let this candle pretty much do its thing. I mean, it's basically just trying to make a shorter thing for the or a bigger bottom wick on the hourly, which is fine to me. As long as that hourly closes bearish, right? So I think the smartest thing I'm gonna do is like, if this candle's price pushes past this bottom wick candle right here, then I'll enter impulsively. You see, and I can't lie, personally, this is like a relatively risky trade I'm gonna get into. And the only thing that makes me feel better about this trade is the hourly. We got a weak bullish candle, and we have a bunch of weak bullish candles around this price level. It's rejected several times. Um, we're really looking forward to price pushing back down around like 1702, something like that. All right, 9 minutes left. Alright, folks, so back on the trading shit. I was like posting some shit on my Instagram, but on some trading stuff, man, we got 3 minutes till kind of close. Still got a decent hourly. And I'm not gonna lie to you, dude, like, it seems right. But then I look at that 30 though. That 30 minutes just give me not some false hopes. But I think I'm just gonna give it a shot, man. See what it's like with this hourly. Yeah, I guess if you're like, I'm obviously trading price action, but looking at this like this, like I'm trading price action definitely from like the 30-minute or from the hourly perspective rather than the 30-minute. Because on 30-minute perspective, you think if price action trading, you'd be like, well, it's forming a support. Why wouldn't you just buy? Which definitely isn't a bad thing to do, right? I mean, we're on a bullish trend. We got nothing but up from here, right? But I feel like just because we got a fucking bearish 4 hour, got a bearish hourly, I don't know, it's really contradicting because it's like such clean traffic to the left. Why wouldn't we just want to push up? But what's got me so confused is the fact that now we're closing, like, I mean, it's obviously a pretty weak bearish. Even more weak. This is tough. This is tough on the psyche here. I'm not gonna lie. I got two biases that low key seem pretty fire. Yeah. So this is tough. I'm not gonna lie, this is tough. Cause it's a pretty nice bullish candle, man. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, ladies and gents. At this point, I might be going against a little bit of how I be trading. Especially we're going off the 30-minute. I mean, not necessarily. I'm respecting the hourly at this point. We're gonna see how it goes. Oh shit. Yep. See, well, that's what happens, right? That was not. Yeah. Is what it is, right? Hey, we learned real quick. Should have went off the 30-minute bias there. Either, honestly. We'll probably get another impulse of entry though. Whoa. Had this backwards. Come on, please stop missing me. Alright, ladies and gents. Just looking to hold this position for a little bit. I got impulsive. This is a third trade, so really I'm going pretty high on my risk right now. Buy change pretty quick, obviously. I just saw like clean traffic to the left. Um, buys obviously took over. Let's go with the 33. Obviously, still not the best. Not the best, guys. Definitely gotta do better. Um, could have easy trade, easy. This coming, I would say, starting even tomorrow, might start considering closing trades a little early. Been trying to hold positions a little too much, and yeah, definitely from now on, just gonna start respecting more my 30-minute analysis. Um, when I try to play with the hourly and that 4 hour, man, obviously, boy, we got a little swept up right there. So, not the greatest trading day today because I did take a pretty full margin loss, a whole 1.5%. Um, got in a trade again, and we did okay. Um, obviously this position just blows up right now. It definitely can. Um, I'd rather close full at this point. At this point, I was just trying to make sure I secure something. Um, and definitely looking forward to getting to plays tomorrow and make some decent plays happen here. Beautiful. Well, I'm glad we were able to catch positions. At this point, I really don't want to overtrade. I pretty much broke a rule. I only do 1 or 2 trades every day. The setup just looks so damn good. And I ain't gonna lie, I felt like an idiot after fucking trying to make an analysis on the hourly time frame, thinking that it would probably respect it, knowing that this fucking traffic here we got on the left is absolutely just majorly clean. And wow, holy smokes, we are just pushing now at this point. Disappointing, right? I mean, it's like a little bit more. It's not like terribly more, but it's enough. It's another like 20 pips, so holding this could have been pretty decent because I mean it could have won even more than what I would have lost today so far, and is what it is. But I feel pretty good with what we was secured so far. It had me a little nervous though because we was cutting it pretty close. I was cutting it pretty close to my stop loss break even. I'm not gonna lie, if I wouldn't stop loss break even today, right after the loss I just took earlier, that would have been tough on the old psyche. That would have been tough on the mental because then it would have been like, wow, I'm really fucking with myself at this point, you know? So simple trade today. Absolutely no more trades, no more at this point. We're looking to scale into positions tomorrow morning. Let's take a look and see what we got for tomorrow morning as well. Oh, jeez. Tomorrow we got Wednesday, 7:15. Oh, here we go. The non-farm and employment change. Fuck yeah. So tomorrow looking like a great day. We got ISM and PMI again, 9 a.m. Tomorrow looks like a great day to trade. Tomorrow's gonna be very fun. Um, yeah, guys, but I'm getting close to logging off on this stream here. Yeah, fellas, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop off this stream here. Everybody that tuned in with me today, I just want to let you guys know I appreciate you a lot. It means a lot to me. Um, and until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow, 6 a.m. before New York session, and we will be trying to get some good plays. 7:15, we got the start of the news, and 7:30, I believe, no, 9 o'clock. So we got news at 7:15, I believe, or 7 o'clock, and then we have news as well. High volume, high volume news on 7:15 and 9 a.m. So sounds absolutely great. Looking forward to it. To anybody that caught this position with me, shout out to you guys. Great job. Looking to get some more profitable positions tomorrow, and probably gonna start closing full position more closer to 10 pips. Really need to start getting in a nice groove. Um, I mean, tomorrow might be a day we can hold positions though. Today might be tomorrow might be the day. But with PMI and everything like that, if I wasn't mistaken, it was PMI that ended up doing me dirty with the slippage. So, and it was a profitable position. Like literally, we were up 10 pips. As soon as I was up 10 pips, hit stop loss break even, and then the candle just flipped on me, went absolutely bearish, and somehow my stop loss at break even didn't get inactivated, and slippage occurred, and yeah, I lost a pretty penny. It fucked up the old risk management. I will say that, because I mean we got it right here, 60 smacks. You don't like to see that. Absolutely terrible. Um, we had a nice $94 one, you know, and then when you got slippage that happens, just sucked all those profits right up pretty much. So pretty rough, pretty rough. I'm not gonna lie. But you know, what can you do besides manage your account and try and keep doing better and better every single day? So what we're trying to do, trying to get better and better, increase our consistency, increase our profitability, and come here every day and show up every single day, because what we're gonna do to become better traders, become professional traders, and become traders that can do this for a living. You know, this is what I'm trying to showcase. I'm trying to be able to showcase that you can make a living off this, and yeah. So everybody that tapped in today, thank you so much. I really appreciate everybody that tapped into the live stream today. Instagram people, if anybody guys tapped in from Instagram, I appreciate you guys tapping in, coming over from Instagram to the YouTube channel. Means a lot to me in that sense. But yeah, you guys have a great rest of your day. See you guys tomorrow.